Okay, afternoon everyone. So, switching it up a little bit, I'm going to cover this first bit of the live stream. Welcome. Just normality and formality. The first 5 minutes, we're going to be asking everyone to join us first. Second, if you're already here watching us, then if you know anyone that would benefit from the information that we're sharing today, which is on the topic that students from the EU can actually pay local tuition fee if they actually apply to study for this September intake of 2021, then please do share this live stream to all of your friends, your family, or just anyone in general that you think will be benefiting from this information. But just like any other live stream from 012 Global, we do go live from 8 different pages, but this content is mainly for the 3 specific pages that I'm going to be mentioning right now, which is 012 Global, 012 Arab, and 012 India. So just waiting for 40 more seconds for everyone to like and share this live stream. If you have any question for this topic, relating to this topic, please drop them in the comment down below this live stream on these 3 pages that I just mentioned, so that we can actually get the messages to appear on our screen. Okay, so 15 more seconds for everyone to like and share this video or live stream, should I call it. And then I'm going to be jumping into the next bit of the stream, which is introducing our company. Okay, so 012 Global is an international consultancy company located in London. We work very closely with many universities in the UK and other English-speaking countries, and we have been helping students from all over the world in making their dream of studying abroad come true. We consult students on their study options and help them find a university and courses that fit their needs and interests. We also help them prepare all the documents and guide them through the application process. But this is not where our service stops. We help our students through the complicated visa application process, as well as being a constant companion throughout their journey if they ever need any help while in the UK. So previously, 012 Global was known as Sky and I. Our reputation lies in over a decade of experiences within the legal advice, accounting, mortgage, and especially education. And this live event today is joined by Stephanie. I'm going to put Stephanie on the screen to say hi to everyone. Stephanie, where are you? Darling?
Hi.
Okay. So Stephanie will be taking us through the content of this live stream today. Could you please introduce yourself a little bit?
Hi everyone, my name is Stephanie and I work for 012 Global, and I am responsible for the EU market, which is why today is my turn to answer some questions for our EU students.
All righty, exciting. So due to the restricted length of time we have for this live event, we will try and answer as many questions as possible on a first come and first served basis, starting from questions that we received even prior to the event. So with any question we cannot get to today, please bear with us. We will send you a message after, or we'll call you directly right after the live stream. So just another chance to repeat all the names that we are going live from: 012 Global, 012 Arab, 012 India. And also, apart from these online regular webinar that we do have different YouTube channels which provide over 1,000 videos on different topics. So please head over if you miss any of our live session or would just like to find out more about life in the UK or any other information about education, legal advice, or accounting or mortgage services over on our YouTube channel. Also, like all of those videos that you watch and subscribe to those channel to not miss a single one of them. Okay, So let's jump right into our main topic. So going from the first question that we have, so Stephanie, if you can just take us through what has changed for EU students after Brexit.
Okay, so generally speaking, caused by the Brexit, students with the citizenship of the European Union, they are now classified as international students. This means that students from the EU will now need to have to apply for a visa to come to study in the UK and also pay the higher international fees, just like any other international student.
Okay, and the next question is, so that's just for EU student in general. What about those students that already obtained their pre or settled status?
Okay, so those who already have their pre-settled or settled status in the UK, for them it's a lot easier because they do have this status. They will not need to apply for a visa to come and study in the UK, meaning they can do their university application and do not have to worry about any visa application.
Okay, that's awesome to hear. So you did mention that they will be classified as international student as well. So what range of fees, when we're talking about tuition fee, that they will have to pay?
All right, so those with a pre-settled or settled status in the UK, so like I mentioned, they do not need to apply for a visa, and they will also be eligible for home fees, meaning they will pay the same amount of fees that UK students paid and the same amount of fees that they had to pay before Brexit. Of course, these are also sometimes single cases. So if you are a EU student who has a pre-settled status and you're still not sure about which fees you need to pay, you can send your documents to us. You can reach out to us, and we'll help you check what your fee is. So if you do not have a pre-settled or a settled status in the UK, normally, in general, your fee will now be the same fee as international students, which will be higher than the local tuition fee. That's just the general rule.
Okay, thank you for that answer. So, you know, there are a lot of students that are currently working with us and benefit from paying the same tuition fee with local students here in the UK. Could you just take us through that information a little bit?
All right. Okay, so like I mentioned, if you have a pre-settled or settled status in the UK, you are very likely to be eligible for home fees. Now, if you are an EU student, but you do not have a pre-settled or settled status in the UK, but you would still like to come and study here, because we as Zero on to Global work very closely with many universities in the UK, we have some very tight connection with those universities. And some of those universities will offer our EU students who do not have any of the pre-settled status, they will offer them a scholarship that will reduce their fee to the same amount of their local tuition fee. So you would still need to apply for a visa, but through our scholarship offered by some of the universities we work with, mentioning University of Portsmouth, St Mary's University, Twickenham in London, and De Montfort University, you will still be able to pay the local tuition fee you would have to pay before Brexit. So that's really an amazing opportunity for EU students who would like to come and continue to study in the UK for the same price as they had to before the Brexit.
Okay, so when you said before the Brexit, you mean do we have an exact date?
So caused by Brexit, those students who were studying, who already started their study in academic year 2020, 2021, they would still remain their local tuition fee, the same amount of local students. But those students who are starting to study in the academic year 2021, let's say September this year, their tuition fees will be higher normally. But if you apply through us and to some of the universities we work with that offer those scholarships for EU students, you will be able to remain at the lower local tuition fee.
Okay, awesome. And could you let our prospective student know that if they do apply with us, would they have the option of having us supporting them in their student loan as well?
Yes, so if you are an EU student and you're interested in studying in the UK, please feel free to reach out to us. We'll help you assess your case. We'll have a look at if you do need a visa application, if you don't need a visa application, we'll help you make sure that you do pay the appropriate fees, and we'll be able to get you the lower tuition fees as well. And for those maybe struggling financially a little or interested in a student loan, we will have a look at your case. And if you are eligible for a student loan, for example, if you have a pre-settled or settled status in the UK, we will be able to help you with your tuition fee loan application as well.
Okay, I think that's the main bit, right? Okay, I think that also wraps up the live stream. We don't have that much to say in regard to this content, but if you do wanna just have a chat and see if we can actually help more or just guide you through the whole process, we are more than happy to get into a conversation with you over the phone, or just drop us an inbox on our pages. So either on 012 Global, 012 India, or 012 Arab, we will be more than happy to reach out back to you guys. And I think that would be it for this week. We'll see you guys next time, I think on Monday, for another topic. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Bye.
Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Bye, bye, bye.